What is good, my boys and girls? In this video I'm gonna show you how to get chapters on YouTube and what to do if they don't work for you. Now, first off, how to get chapters. You want to go to your video description. You have to have at least 3 chapters which are 10 seconds or more apart. So the very first one must always be 0:00. I'm gonna call this one intro. Then I'm gonna call the second one dos, and the third one tres. All right, so if we go to my video, as you can see, currently there are no chapters because I haven't saved the changes. Now, if I just press save and I refresh my video. All right, guys, what's up once more? So for this video, as you can see, we have chapters ready. It is as simple as that. Just make sure the first one is 0:00, and then you have at least 2 more. So as you can see, they work. But what if they don't work? On my other account, they don't work. So what can we do about that? First off, just check that everything is correct in your description, that you have at least 3 and you've met the criteria. Then what I want you to do is copy this and paste it as a comment. After you've pasted it as a comment, make sure you pin it. Wait, just give me a second. I'm gonna do this. Show you. All right, guys. So, like I said, copy this, paste it as a comment, make sure everything is correct, pin it, and if you still don't have chapters, you need to wait 24 hours. Wait at least 24 hours. But what if you waited 24 hours and you still don't have them, the chapters? Here is what you do. You press on your icon, you click send feedback, make sure this is selected, and ask where my chapters at, with a question mark. Just wait for this to load, and then when this loads, you want to select a highlight something. Just give me a second. Give me a freaking second for this. Okay, click to highlight, and then do this, and done. Send it. That is all. That is all. Hope it helps out. Make sure you like and sub if you did. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.